So, hello everyone, and as you can see, I'm recording myself or sitting on my roof to make a video about a topic like I thought that I should have talked about it long ago. So, right now, I'm going to talk about that topic. The topic is why English seems so difficult nowadays to learn it. So, maybe nowadays is not as difficult as you think it is. English is one of the easiest language on the planet, and that's what I believe so because this language has totally changed my life, and as well as it's going to change your life too if you learn it. If you really learn it and if you really get the benefit from this language, then it's definitely going to change your life. So my topic is why English is hard, why English seems hard to speak fluently. So English is not hard. Let me tell you why I'm saying so. You are a beginner, you might not able to speak properly, you are having lots of problem while speaking, so that's what you feel that English is one of the hardest language, but it's not hard, yet quite frustrating because it pronunciation, accent, some words are difficult to pronounce, even sometimes it's really hard to speak up while speaking. So all I'm talking about, you are facing lots of problem while speaking, and that's why you might feel it's so hard. Okay, so don't worry at all. Even I have been through the same situation or same problem, the problem that you are actually facing nowadays. So having problems is actually a privilege, because when you are actually having problem, it's mean you are learning. So when you will have problem, try to find out the solution, don't try to quit this language. So now many people actually do one thing. When they feel hard, when they feel that this language is quite complicated, frustrating, they quit. They do not even try to find out the solution. They quit. They don't want to learn this language. They'll say this language quite complicated and tough, I don't want to improve it, I don't want to learn it. And even they also say something like this. Even I have noticed, even I have also heard from people, they say, why should I learn English language? It is not our mother tongue, it's not an Indian language, it's a foreign language, why should I learn it? That's what exactly people say when they don't want to learn it, when they want to quit it. So that's what exactly they say, it is actually an excuse. So they don't have any excuse to say. So that's what they're saying, why should I learn English? English is not our language, it's actually a foreign country language, why should I learn this language? So it's an excuse, that's what I believe. Okay, so whenever you face any problem while speaking, while learning this language, or any kind of problem, please try to look out the solution. There are solution also available. So English is not even easier as you think it is, because I have had lots of problem when I had started to learn this language, and now I feel sometime I do face some problem while speaking, I still face problem. So even a native speaker, I spoke with a native speaker, and I mean he told me the same thing, but they know how to manage those kind of situation, those kind of problem, how to deal with them. And you are a beginner, you don't know how to even deal with them. So please do not quit to learn this language. Please learn it. It's because you have internet, you have social media, and even you can utilize your social media or internet to learn this language. And even on internet you will get thousands of videos, like people are actually started to learn this language from zero, and now they are become fluent. I mean you can see me right now, I have started this language long ago, and there was a time that I couldn't even speak a single word of this language, but right now I'm speaking quite fluently and flawlessly, that's what I believe so. And as well as if you do the same things without having or without feeling want to quit it, if you keep going, having said that, you are definitely going to become fluent or be flawless in this language. So all I wanted to say is, please don't quit. I know you have started to learn this language for a reason. Maybe your reason could be different, my reason is different. Everybody to each their own. Everybody has some kind of different reason or some kind of different purpose or different feelings, different interest to learn this language. So maybe you have also same or something different. So please don't quit it. All I want to say, please don't quit this language, don't give up on this language. This language is actually life changing language. Even you can see so many people actually change their life on behalf of this language. So even you can also change your life too. So please don't quit it, because giving up is not an option. As a human being, you don't have to give up. Take a pause, take a day off, take some time rest. Okay, but don't give up. Keep going what you are doing. You're so close. You're so closer than you think you are. you are definitely going to fluent in this language one day for sure, and you will feel so proud of yourself that you didn't quit, you kept going, and you become fluent. So one day definitely for sure you are going to get the hang of it. So see you guys in the next video very soon, and I hope you got something from this video. So if you found this video quite helpful and it's just helping you on your journey, so please like it, share it, and subscribe it, and see you people in the next video very soon.